What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Nikki here, and in today's video I'm going to be going over all 18 paychecks that Robinhood gave me in the month of September for my long-term dividend investing portfolio. Come on now, that is some freaking awesome stuff. To literally get free money in my sleep 18 times this month. So you guys, let's go ahead, let's get it. Real quick though, first things first, if you are new here, what is up? My name is Nikki, and it would mean so much to me if you would consider subscribing by hitting the MB in the bottom corner or the red subscribe button. Join the crew, join the journey. On this channel, I post a minimum of 2 videos a week, sometimes 3 videos, all about money, stocks, investing, side hustles, just having a good ass time making money and taking y'all along the journey. I truly believe that we should be investing for something bigger than ourselves in this life. So if you are into that, or if you just like hanging out with me half as much as I love hanging out with every single one of you, just please consider subscribing. Now, we are going to be diving into this beautiful passive income little thing we got going on here. I received 18 different companies paying me an X amount of dollars to put money into their stock, into their company, and that is one reason why dividend investing is so dang powerful. The more money you make passively through the company paying you, the more you invest back into that company, the more you're on your way to Lamborghinis and, you know, Mai Tais on the damn beach, which, I mean, that's, you know, a while down the road, so don't get too excited, don't get too crazy. I mean, I'm not pulling in Lamborghini money or nothing like that, but it is really awesome to see that money keep increasing every single month from dividends, from growth. It's a lovely cycle. Can we just start this video by giving a thumbs up for the whole idea of compounding interest and freaking just helping us out? I mean, we just helping ourselves out 30 years down the line, and it's just an absolutely beautiful thing. So you guys, let's go ahead, let's dive into the first paycheck. And I will say I have 2 that are still pending because I'm filming this before the actual month is over. So I'm getting paid again on the 28th and the 30th by two different companies. Damn, girl. But I am going to factor that into this video and give you guys a total at the end. So let's go ahead, stop jib jabbing, let's just go ahead and get into the dang payments. All right, guys, so the first one on the list is actually pretty good. Came out straight out the gate on September 1st, and that is going to be Pfizer, you guys. Now I have 5 shares. I was paid 38 cents a share on September 2nd. Ooh, I lied, I meant the 2nd. For a total of $1.90. And then on September 3rd, I was paid by Discover. I have 5 shares. They pay 44 cents a share for a total of $2.20. Then I woke up, you know, on the 4th, and I was like, dang, I got another paycheck. And that was Honeywell. Honeywell said, hey girl, I'm gonna pay you 90 cents for the 1 share that you own, and we'll meet again in about 3 months and probably pay you more. Then one of my favorites stocks in my portfolio. If you guys think you know what my top 3 stocks are, please comment down below, okay? I don't know, maybe I'll like send y'all like 25 bucks if you guess them right, but there's 3 that I just literally am obsessed with. And if you know those 3, just tell me down below, and the first person to get it, I'm gonna send you something, I swear. I'm gonna find you and I'm gonna get you something. But that is J&J, you guys. J&J paid me on September 9th for 2 shares, $1.01 a share, paid me a total of $2.02. And then you guys, on my birthday, I went ahead and I got paid by Raytheon Technologies. I have 5 shares. I got paid around 47 cents a share for a total of $2.38. And then we had another one come in on September 11th, and that was Target. So I have 3 shares of Target. They paid me 68 cents a share for a total of $2.04. Then again on the 11th, Microsoft came in for my 2 shares. They paid me 51 cents a share for a total of $1.02. Then we had a strong, actually my favorite monthly dividend paying stock, and that is Realty Income. I have 4 shares. They paid me around 24 cents a share for a total of 93 cents. And yes, none of these are really that much, but this one does pay monthly, like I said, so I can guarantee myself at least some sort of dividend payment every single month thanks to Realty Income. And then on September 15th, you know, Mickey D's, Ronald McDonald himself went ahead and paid me for my 1 share $1.25. And then another one of these REIT stocks came in here, Stag Industrial, 6 shares, 12 cents a share for 72 cents this month. I love Stag, I love Realty. And just a quick note, you guys, you can see here it says enable dividend reinvestment, and I got a few comments on one of my old videos that, oh, you know, you should really just turn your drip on. It's called drip. drip. And to be honest with you, I don't do that just because I'm so involved with my portfolio that I want to decide where those dividends go into what company, and I want to make sure I'm in control of that. But I do reinvest the dividends. I reinvest way more than the dividends, but just so you guys know, I don't have that turned on because I am so hands-on. If you are more a set it and forget it and you don't want to look at what's going on day to day with your portfolio, I would highly recommend you just turn the dividend reinvestment on. That way your payments go straight back into the company, straight back into the account, continue to grow it, and you don't have to like have a heart attack or get stressed the hell out because, you know, the stock market is crashing this month and you're scared. It's like, it's just a little bit less emotional. So if you need that, definitely do that. But for me, I prefer to decide where my money goes. And then on September 16th, my favorite redhead came through, Wendy's. She went ahead and she paid me for 3 shares, 0.05 cents a share, for a whopping total of 15 cents. And then moving on from Wendy's, I had Prospect Capital. This was a free stock that was given to me if someone used my link. If you are interested, I mean, most of you probably already have this going on. You already heard the spiel, you already know, but the link is down in the description below. If you do not have an account and you want to sign up, you'll get a free stock. I'll get a free stock. I will thank you, and that's that. But yes, this is one of my free stocks that I received, so I don't ever sell these. If I get them, I just collect that dividend. I don't really add into them either. Maybe I should, but whatever. I'll just keep the 6 cents and just move on with my life. Because then on September 18th, I got paid by Waste Management, which love them. I have 4 shares. They pay around 55 cents a share for a total of $2.18. Now this next one has me juiced because in October I plan on getting this to 25 shares. I have 15 right now. I definitely want to add a lot more, and that is going to be SPYD. It basically follows the S&P 500. It's an ETF. It follows high dividend companies. So I have 15 shares. They pay around 27 cents a share for a total of $3.95. If you guys want to know why I want that many shares in that ETF in October, I spoke about it in my most recent-ish video, I think 2 videos ago, my watch list for October. I will go ahead and link that down at the first comment in the video. Go ahead and check that out after this video. I talk about 2 stocks, and I also talk about why I would select an ETF to heavily invest into in the next couple months. So go ahead, check that out, and let's move on to the next payment. So the next one is going to be SPYG. It's another one of my ETFs. It follows growth companies, so the dividend is not as great on this one, but I like this for the growth opportunity since I am so young. I do want to take a little bit of advantage of that in my portfolio. So I do have 7 shares. They pay me around 11 cents a share for a total of 73 cents. Then the next one here on September 25th was SPYV, which is value, which is basically the midpoint between the dividends and the growth. So this one I have 5 shares. I got paid about 19 cents per share for a total of 96 cents. All right, y'all, I only have 2 left, okay? We got 2 left. So the next one was paid to me, not quite yet, but for September 28th for 1 share of Orchid Island Capital here for 7 cents. Like Prospect Capital, this was a free one I was given, so I don't sell it, collecting the pennies, and that's really it. But then I got a heavy hitter coming in on the last day of the month to pay me a nice little fat check, and that is Pepsi, you guys, for 4 shares, $1.02 a share for a total of $4.09. Those were my 18 paychecks for the month of September. I am not mad about it at all. And what I'm gonna do right now is actually throw up on screen for you just kind of a chart of how my dividends have been looking the last few months and how much it's really increased from the last time that these companies have paid me. So let me go ahead and show you that. Alright, you guys, so you can go ahead. I've shown my charts, my dividend tracking here, spreadsheet, before in a prior video, but I wanted to bring it back to kind of just show you how the growth of my dividends are going. So you can see here, the highlighted box is obviously the total amount for this month of September. I was paid $27.55. Now, if we look down here at the bar graph, remember last month was obviously my biggest so far at almost $33, but it's pretty cool to see because now in September, I can look back to see what these companies paid me in June because they're quarterly. Well, most of them are quarterly. I have a couple monthly, but bulk of them are quarterly, which means the last time they paid me, if I owned them, were in June. we can see I made $17.16. So from June, I've increased my dividends a month by $10. And that just goes to show how important it is to consistently be putting money into your account. May, I was 25, 26 bucks. The next time I got it was $33. It's just, it continues to grow and really be able to see the difference between the last time that I saw them pay me and this time that I saw them pay me. So what do you guys think? How much money did you guys make this month? Please let me know down below. Also, mark y'all's calendars because I'm gonna go live. I think the verdict's out. We want Saturday afternoon, evening. So I'm thinking like Saturday at like 3 p.m. Pacific time is kind of what I'm thinking. Let me know if that works for you down in the comments. We're gonna start the first or second week of October. I look forward to that. I really honestly am stoked about being able to go live and just interact with everybody, like just hanging out. That's like a big thing for me. I'm excited. But you guys, if you made it this far and you are not subscribed, please just hit the subscribe button, join us. Please smash the thumbs up button for your girl. And you guys, you already know, if you are hearing my voice right now, you are the real MVP. Come here, you know I love you. And like always, you guys, enjoy the journey, no matter what your journey is, and always remember to do what sets your hearts on fire. And I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.